Hello, Grips Collectibles here, and today I am doing a 2017 Panini Contenders Draft Picks Blaster Box. It comes with 42 cards per box, and there's 2 autographs in each box. I opened this before for the channel, I think it was 3 to 4 months ago, so it's been a while since I've opened one of these. I'm hoping, of course, for Patrick Mahomes, but I'll take one of the big names too, like Deshaun Watson, all those guys. So hopefully, get something good. I don't think I've ever pulled a nice auto in this product. Granted, I never tried the hobby version, but the blaster version, I've never got anything good yet. But maybe today's the day. Okay, we got 7 packs in here. Let's hope for something nice. I'd be alright with a regular rookie of Mahomes too, but we'll see. We've got our base here. Well, looks like we got our first auto. Kendall Beckwith. Sticker auto, not numbered. Not a bad auto. Or signature, I should say. Corey Davis. Brad Kenya. And then the base. I've got a John Ross insert. And a Dan Marino insert. Oh, we got a redemption. Interesting. Do it this way here. Insert of Ezekiel Elliott and Eddie George. A Mitchell Travinsky. Basically his rookie, so that's not bad. Base. Alright, let's see what we got here. College ticket, so it's obviously not numbered. And Josh Harvey Clemens. I know it's expired, but I should be able to redeem it still with Panini. I was hoping not to get a redemption, but oh well. To take care of that right away. Deshaun Watson, passing grades insert. Deontay Foreman, insert. Base. Well, there was our 2 autos then, so we can breeze through these other packs here quickly. Chad Kelly, insert, and a Leonard Fournette. We get some nice inserts of the rookies here, you know. Fournette, Travinsky. All we're missing is Mahomes here. Bucky. Roger Staubach. Insert. Alright, we got one last pack here. Oh, that's a good college right there. Kirk Cousins. Christian McCaffrey. And Corey Davis. And then our base. So no numbered cards, but our 2 autographs. One of them a redemption of Josh Harvey Clemens, and the other one is Kendall Beckwith. So it's not the greatest. I mean, we got some nice rookies in here for the inserts, but what can you do for a blaster box? I mean, if I want to get a better chance, I guess I'll have to get a hobby. But I think the hobby version, they're getting hard to find, so I'll have to should look one up here eventually. But anyways, that will do it for tonight's break. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I will be back with another video soon.